What's up, my fellow subscribers and viewers? You won't believe how much YouTube paid me for my very first paycheck. After months of grinding, uploading videos with 0 views, and doubting if this dream would ever pay off, it finally happened. Want to know the exact amount I earned, how I got monetized, and what I did differently to get there? Let's break it down. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Tutorial Masterclass, the channel where I share real strategies to grow and monetize your YouTube journey. In today's video, I'll show you how I made my first ever YouTube paycheck, what worked for me, and what you should absolutely avoid if you're just starting out. Let's dive in. How I got monetized. Before we get to the actual amount I earned, here's how I qualified for monetization. I reached 1,000 subscribers, got 4,000 public watch hours within 12 months, applied to the YouTube Partner Program and got approved in just 3 days. I didn't go viral overnight. It took consistency, smart video topics, and a little SEO magic. All right, my fellow subscribers, here's what you came for. My first YouTube paycheck was $8,470. That's from a combination of long-form videos and a few YouTube Shorts bonuses. And guess what? Most of that came from just 3 evergreen videos that continue to get views months later. Not all videos made money, but a few smart ones carried the whole paycheck. Let's break down of the earnings. Highest earning video, how to start a faceless channel, $4,300. YouTube Shorts bonus, $1,200. Other tutorials, $2,272 combined. Top countries, United States, Philippines, Canada, India. Best CPM cost per 1,000 views, $6.50 on YouTube growth tutorials. Tips for you, focus on evergreen topics, they keep paying you long term. Good thumbnails and titles matter. Consistency beats perfection. Don't wait to be perfect, just start. And most importantly, understand your audience. What are they searching for? What problems can your video solve? Now that I've gotten my first paycheck, my new goal is to triple my earnings in the next 60 days. I'm experimenting with faceless content, YouTube automation, and even some affiliate marketing, so stay tuned for updates. If you're working toward your first YouTube paycheck, don't give up. It's not always fast, but it's possible. Drop a comment below. How close are you to getting monetized? Like this video if it helped. Subscribe to Tutorial Masterclass for more tutorials, real income breakdowns, and smart YouTube growth tips. See you in the next one. Happy creating!